Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Aisha Talks, and today I'm going to talk about simple rules of capitalization. While writing English, we often make these mistakes, so I'm going to briefly talk about the rules of capitalization. So the rule number one, begin a sentence with a capital letter. This is something that we are taught in our primary classes that whenever you are going to begin a new sentence, you have to start it with a capital letter. That is rule number one. Capitalize the pronoun I. Always remember that the I, pronoun I, that is the first person I, you cannot write it in smaller form. So always capitalize the pronoun I. Number three, capitalize the names of countries, for example, Japan, America, Russia. So you should always begin all the countries' names with a capital letter. And capitalize national nouns and adjectives, for example, Chinese, Russian, French, and British. So whenever you are defining national nouns and adjectives related to it, so you have to capitalize them and you have to initiate the word with a capital letter. Capitalize the first letter of the first word in a sentence or question. Capitalize proper nouns, for example, the names of people. In examples, you may include any name, for example, John, Mary, Annie. So, all the proper nouns are written with a capital letter. Do not capitalize common nouns. This is the tip. The common nouns like chair and table and pen and pencil. These are the common nouns. Do not use a capital letter to write these common nouns. For example, boy and tree and flower and butterfly would be some of the common nouns. So do not write a capital letter with these common nouns. And capitalize the names of institutions and organizations. And capitalize the names of festivals, for example, Eid and Easter and Christmas and Diwali. Since these are special occasions and they have cultural value, so capitalize them. He went to university. This is an example. So university is a common noun over here because I am not defining what university or the name of the university. So hence we do not capitalize it. But as soon as I'm going to write a particular university, for example, he went to Oxford University. Now you have to capitalize the initial letters, and you cannot write with the short letters. So whenever you are writing a particular university, you need to. So the rule over here is whenever you are writing a particular location, you have to write it with a capital letter. So the names of universities, organizations, institutions, mountains, deserts, rivers are capitalized as you can see. As you can see, I have written all over here. So note that when you write the name of a university or an organization, all words in the name begin with a capital letter. For example, British Broadcasting Corporation, not British Broadcasting Corporation. As you can see, I have given the example. So as you can see that the initials of the BBC as you write in the short form, it would be in capital form. United Nations organizations. So all the initials should be capitalized, not just U of United and the other initials would not be capitalized. That would be a mistake. Okay, now this is a small activity that I always like to do with you all. So correct the mistakes in the following sentences. So these are five sentences, and you have to find the mistakes of capitalization. So he introduced me to Sarah, his wife. Now what is a mistake over here? Hmm, this is simple. Sarah is a name. This Sarah is a name, and it should be capitalized. Why? Because it's a proper name. It's a proper noun. So you're talking about Sarah, who is his wife. So you are going to write with a capital letter. Similarly, I do not understand French, but I can speak a little Spanish. Now, what is a mistake over here? Since you are using specific adjectives over here related to one particular country, for example, French and Spanish, so these should be capitalized. French and Spanish, so F and S should be capitalized. So similarly, she bought a new car for her birthday. Four. Okay, sorry, I skipped three. They went skiing in the Alps. Now, over here you have to identify the mistake. If you're talking about a particular location, for example, A in Alps should be capitalized. So you are going to write with a capital letter. Similarly, she bought a new car for her birthday. Now car over here, as you can see, the C of car is capitalized, which is a mistake because car is a common noun, and common nouns we do not capitalize the initials. So she bought a new car for her birthday. So car would be with a small c, not with the capital C. And Peter comes from New England. Now New England again, and it is a location. So New England over here, this is a mistake, as you can see. So N should be capitalized and E should be capitalized because you are talking about a particular place. So this is a mistake. So this is a small activity for you so that you understand it. And uh, I have more activities after that, but I'm going to talk about it some other time. Today I want to talk about the rules of capitalization. So always take care of it, and keep your writing smooth and keep your writings intact with the rules and uh, you know with the rules that would make your language and writing skills particular. Thank you very much, and keep watching my videos. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, share my videos. This is Aisha Khan signing off. Thank you.